Hi, in this video we are going to see about the search engine app. So this search engine app will filter out the search queries and rank results according to the user's search history stored locally and search result provided by the server. So this is the help file of that app. So first the user want to register to an account and log in to an account. After that they want to set a setting as what they want to search, image or text. So first, this is the search engine app. In this first, the user want to register. Giving the username, password and confirm password. After that, sign up. So after registration process, we want to log in into that account. So by giving the registered username and password, login process. So now the login process is successfully done. Now we are going to search by image or text. So just click the search engine process. Now we can search. So I just searching for the images of India. I just loading for it. So this app will show the rankly process which was searched later. So this will shows the images which was related to India, which is stored in server. So here we have different Indian images like national flags, travel guide of India Wikipedia, and etc. After that, I'm searching for a text. So it will show the links. So I'm just search for mycans, and this link will help to view the content. So different types of data and links were given here. We can search everything in this, which will show the link. So I'm just searching for America. So it's just showing the American links and websites. So this app will help for searching the image or text or content or modifications what you want, and you can search the websites with their links.